Ready for tomorrow?
One, two, three, four. Well, I tipped my tooth on a tangerine, and the jaybird singing something about the way things used to be.
We get exactly 1 day out from the race, and we are heading to the venue now. Everyone else is left. It's just me and Sharma ji. Johal करके तो कोई जानता ही नहीं है. Me and Sharma ji now heading to the venue. I don't know who is racing today. Most of the races already done. It's 5:30, but yeah, we'll just be there, meet a few people, see what's happening, and yeah, it's gonna take us an hour to get to the venue. I woke up at like 2:30 p.m. but like almost 12 more than 12 hours of sleep because the last 2 days have not been very nice. But yeah, we head to the venue and see what's happening there, and then tomorrow we've got our race at 8 p.m. We've finally reached the venue. I remember being here last year around this time. I was doing solo here. I was with Vivan. Vivan, we miss you, bro. Fix your leg quickly, man. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It's always so much fun to come for High Rocks. It's more fun to watch. So yeah, it's currently like 6:42 now, and I think a few of our friends are doing mixed doubles around 8 o'clock. So we're here to cheer for them. Hopefully they come to cheer for us tomorrow. But yeah, this is going to be fun. A lot of our friends did it in the afternoon as well. But bro, bands का क्या passes में और यहाँ मिल जाएगा? Okay. Hopefully we get to enter the venue in the first place. This is sick, bro. भाई अच्छा तो करते हैं भाई ये लोग इसको सही बनाते हैं. Okay, here's the athlete registration zone. I think we are supposed to enter through here, get our bands. Spectator bands secured. This is pretty cool, bro. The purple bands are really cool, actually. Let's go to the venue. Max vibes. Always fun coming for High Rocks. That's the entire venue. Everyone's waiting for us at the Burpee Broad Jump. So we're gonna go. I don't even know if you can hear me because the volume is so loud here. But yeah, we'll be heading there. Ishan Mudgal. Dilip Surya. Dilip yaar. Dilip big fan. Oh, Danny. Oh wow, everyone is here, bro. Everyone is here, bro. We've got a few people doing mixed doubles at around 8 o'clock. One of our friends, Super, is doing it with his mom, which is super wholesome. And I'm so excited to see that. It's going to be a lot of fun. So that's basically the zone where the athletes come after finishing the race. That's the final picture that you see everywhere on Instagram. And that's the finishing stage. But yeah, crazy vibes, bro. Crazy vibes here. Also, I'm really sorry for the audio. I didn't get my mic with me. So you're going to have to bear with me because the audio is not going to be that clear. Joy is here to motivate. Bhai, they go spread positivity with Sharma ji motivate. Sharma ji cheers. Let's go. Push. Let's go. Come on. This has to be one of the most dreadful stations in the whole of High Rocks. But it's going to be too much fun tomorrow. Burpees is the one I've practiced the most for, so I'm pretty confident going into it. But then again, we'll see on race day. It's going to be good though. It's going to be really good. I mean, by the time this vlog comes out, the race is already going to be over. I'm going to do another vlog for the race and not this one itself. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. The mixed doubles have started now. There they are. Here they come. Mixed doubles. I'm also going to be doing mixed doubles in Bombay in September.
with Simran. Simran, I hope you're ready for our mixed doubles. But this is too much fun. But yeah, as I was saying, skiing is the first station. It's very important that you don't gas yourself out. You got to start pacing your race right from the beginning. They've put the weights for the mixed doubles division, which is the same as men's open weight. For our category, it's going to be even more than this because I'm doing the pro doubles tomorrow. Here's a gift for me, भाई मेरे जूते इन्होंने भाई की तरफ मैं बोल रहा था bro.
He owes me one.
मैं full support. Finally got my shoes after getting the wrong ones. Thank God. Time to eat now. We've come to the food section. I'm just getting an iced Americano and a Subway. I was in two minds whether if I should have coffee now or not, but I shouldn't have it. I'm thirsty anyways. Coffee's here. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go! चलो चलो, क्या बात है, क्या बात है? Come on, come on, come on! Hello, hello, Samir bhai. How are you? भाई बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं यार.
बहुत अच्छा भाई, ये मिट्टी तो बहुत खतरा
Come on, super! Come on, super! Come on, come on! These guys are doing so well, man. It's crazy.
Look at that, look at that, look at that! Well done! Here comes!
Come on, super! Do good, do good! Come on, super! We're leaving now. It's done. It's a wrap for day one. We're heading back now. We're gonna go get some food to eat. And yeah, tomorrow's gonna be crazy. Tomorrow, race day. Bhai, फाड़ देंगे भाई. Oh, the DJ is so much better than last time. Bangalore, the DJ wasn't that good, but Delhi is.
मैं तो क्रैप पे यूज करने वाला हूँ.
भाई ये क्रैप होना ही नहीं चाहिए भाई.
Let's go! Do this one back. Two more! Red Bull!
Super is Mama on the last station now. And yeah, they've done pretty good so far. Super! At super bar, keep slow. Too good! Day one is a wrap. भाई कैसा कल के लिए ready है? Ready for tomorrow? Yeah, very ready for tomorrow. Very ready. क्या prediction? इधर भी बोल दो prediction.
We are very okay. We are ready for tomorrow. The venue is very good.
They don't want to know about the venue. They know the venue. Tell your prediction.
My prediction is 117.
117.
Danny is 116.
But you're doing it together. So 116.30.
Let's give 116.5.
116. आपका क्या prediction है? आप कितना में खत्म करोगे?
I think it should get done in 60 minutes. But
60. Slow है यार. Way too slow.
How much?
60 minutes is for him.
60 minutes, yeah. Trains.
Too slow.
Trains for 30 minutes, you know. 30 One pace.
What are we talking about?
Pace one.
भाई race prediction. चलो.
See you at the finish line, bitches.
अबे वो तो time बता सबने बताया time बता.
Bro, time तो आएगा तेरा जब मैं तेरे आगे से निकलूंगा.
अरे पूरा ब्लॉग खराब कर दिया इसने, पता है? आप बताओ.
My partner is in charge of everything. I'm not supposed to have any directives on me.
No variables.
No variables.
Oh.
Sub 70.
सब सैंडविच, क्या बात है। जॉय शर्मा, हमारा प्रेडिक्शन।
तुम ही बताओ।
नहीं तू बता।
क्या बात है?
मैं बता चुका हूँ, मेरे को तेरा देखना, मैं बता चुका हूँ।
176
117। मैंने खुद 112 बोला है।
भाग लिया था।
हाँ भाई 112 देखना 112। The whole gang is here, taken over this restaurant.
Race Varike. They are disguised as mixed doubles participants.
Done with our food now. And now I'm just having gulab jamun.
ये मेरी सॉन्ग पारी है।
और खाली अकेले मैं डिजर्ट खा रहा हूँ भाई। बस वहाँ पे बस आइसक्रीम, वहाँ आइसक्रीम हो रहा है। योर फेवरेट पर्सन। हाँ ये सेफ पता ना, ये 2 मिनट बाद ही आएगा वो वीडियो में। गुड यार, गुलाब जामुन हो गया।
I have a very strong legal backing.
Yes.
मेरी सॉन्ग सुनाई।
गया ना बहुत